These are some of the loudest birds in the world. The shoebill stork and the white bellbird, which can create sounds of about 125 decibels, which is roughly as loud as an airplane engine. This man recently set the world record for the longest breath ever held underwater. He lasted 24 minutes and 33 seconds. The sheer strength of this alligator is insane. This skater slides beautifully through a wall of fire. He was not hurt as he was ideally equipped for this stunt. Don't try this at home. These archaeologists recently discovered another secret chamber inside the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt.
And here we are. This is the corridor.
That was a close call. Luckily, he was saved just in time. This is the largest elevator in the world, located in India. This is how car mats are shaped on the production line. He's able to summon the birds. This is the definition of pure ambition. Another extraordinary beatboxing performance by this dude.
I'm breaking sexy bell.
The dream of every kid. That bench makes patience a bit more enjoyable. The kiss cam never disappoints. This dude rides off on a unicycle, carrying a new 75-inch television on his back.
There is no way he's doing this right now. I have to say something. Dude, that's epic! Oh my gosh! You gotta do what you gotta do!
Enjoy the divine sounds of these brick dominoes. I hope you guys enjoyed in this video. Catch you in the next one.